Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to KingCambridgeSolution.com. On this website, you will find the solution of Cambridge International AS and A level for mathematics and computer science. Today, I shall explain question paper of May June 2024 for the paper 4 mechanics. Let's start. The question number 1 is, a cyclist and a bicycle have a total mass of 72 kg. The cyclist rides along a horizontal road against a total resistance force of 28 Newton. Find the total work done by the cyclist to increase his speed from 8 meter per second to 16 meter per second while traveling a distance of 100 meters. For the solution of question number 1, let's start. The given data is mass is equal to 72 kg. Initial speed is equal to 8 meter per second and the final speed is equal to 60 meter per second. Work done to increase kinetic energy delta Ke is equal to 1 by 2 mv square minus 1 by 2 mu square. Final kinetic energy minus final kinetic energy. By putting the value of, as we know that the mass is equal to 72 and the final speed is equal to 16 and the initial speed is equal to 8. After simplification, we get 6912 joule. So the change in kinetic energy is equal to 6192 joule. Now for the part for next one, total work done. Okay, the change in kinetic energy is equal to 6912 joule. Now work to overcome resistance is equal to resistance force equal to the distance. As we know that the distance is 10 and the resistance is 28 as given in the question statement is equal to 2800 joule. Work to overcome the resistance is equal to 2800 joule. Total work done is equal to change in kinetic energy plus work done against the resistance. So as we have calculated, change in work energy is equal to change in kinetic energy is equal to 6912 and the work done against resistance is equal to 2800. So the total work done is 9712 joule. The question number 2 is, a particle P moves in a straight line at a time t second after leaving the point O on the line. P has velocity v meter per second where v is equal to 44t minus 6t square minus 36. Part A, find the zeta value of t for which the acceleration of the particle is positive. For part B, find the two values of t at which P returns to O. For the question number 3, the forces are given as you can see on the screen. 4 coplanar forces. Coplanar forces mean the forces in the same plane. Of magnitude P Newton, 10 Newton, 60 Newton and 2 Newton act at point in the direction shown in the diagram. It is given that forces are equilibrium. Find the value of theta and P. We shall find out the value of theta, this one, and value of P. The question number 4 is, a car has mass 1400 kg when the speed of the car is v meter per second. The magnitude of the resistance to the motion is kv square Newton, where k is a constant. Part A, the car moves at a constant speed of 24 meter per second up a hill, inclined an angle of alpha to the horizontal, where sin alpha is equal to 0.12. At this speed, the magnitude of the resistance to the motion is 480 Newton. First one is find the value of K. The second one is find the power of the car engine. For the part B, the car now moves at a constant speed on a straight level road. Given that its engine is working at 54 kilowatt, find this speed. Now we shall find out the speed in part B. The question number 5 is, a particle of mass 0.8 kg lies on a rough plane which is inclined an angle of 28 to the horizontal. The particle is kept in the equilibrium by the force of magnitude of t Newton. This force acts at an angle of 35 degree above a line of greatest slope of the plane. See the diagram. The coefficient of friction between the particle and the plane is 0.2. Find the least and the greatest possible value of t. The question number 7 is, 3 particles A, B and C of mass 5 kg, 1 kg and 2 kg respectively lie at the rest in order in that order on a straight, smooth horizontal track XYZ. Initially, A is at X, B is at Y, and C is at Z. A particle A is projected towards B with the speed of 6 meters per second. And at the same instance, C projected towards B with the speed of V meters per second. In the subsequent motion, A collides and coalesces with B to form a particle D. Particle D then coalesces with C to form a particle E, and E moves towards Z. Part A shows that after the second collision, the speed of E is 15 minus V over 4 meter per second. For the part B, the total loss of kinetic energy of the system due to the two collisions is 63 joule. Use the result from A part to show that V is equal to 3. The part C is, it is given that the distance xy is equal to 36 meter and the distance yz is equal to 98 meter. Find the time between the two collisions. The second part is, find the time between the instance that A is projected from X and the instance that E reaches Z. For the last question of this paper, question number 7, two particles P and Q are mass 2.5 kg and 0.5 kg respectively are connected by a light and accessible string that passes over a smooth pulley fixed at top of the plane, inclined an angle of 30 to the horizontal. The particle P is on the plane and the Q hangs below the pulley such that the level of Q is 2 meters above the level of the P, as shown in the diagram. The particle P is released from the rest when the string tight and slide down the plane. The plane is rough with the coefficient of friction 0.2 between the plane and the P. For the part A, find the acceleration of the particle P. Part B is use an energy method to find the speed of the particle at the instance when they are at the same vertical height. In order to find out the solution in the form of PDF and the video, you need to log in on this website. How you can access the solution of all the questions from 1st to 7. The first step is open the website kingcamerasolution.com. The second step is click on the login. On the rightmost top corner, click the login register link. When you click on this link, you will find this interface, login interface. When you see this login interface, click on the sign up link, as you can see on the screen. When you click on the sign up link, you will find this interface. On this interface, provide the username, password, and the credentials. After that, when you will click on the sign up, you will be automatically logged into the website. Otherwise, you can log in manually on this website. When you log in on this website, after that, you will, in the courses section, you will click on the course list. When you click on the course list, you will find all the courses on the website. Select the category on the right column. Select the category category for the paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, or paper 4 according to your requirement. And after that, when you click on the course, you will find this interface. First of all, you will click on the add to the cart, and after that, you will click on the buy now. When you click on the buy now button, you will see this interface. Provide all the necessary fields of your Stripe or EasyPaisa, and after that, click on the submit button. When you click on the submit button, after that, in your login, you will check on the rightmost corner, click the combo box, you will find the link order history. When you click on the order history, you will find this one, the course that you have bought from the website. When you click on this course, you will see this interface. On this interface, in the course content section, for every question, there are two files. One is PDF file, another is video file. You will click on the link. When you click on the PDF link, you will download the PDF file solution for that question. And after that, when you click on the video icon, the video file for the solution will be downloaded. Best of luck. See you in the next question.